Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two popular robot vacuum cleaners. In one corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, and in the other corner, we have the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is priced at $599, while the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at a more affordable $199. If you're on a budget, the ROPVACNIC might be the better option for you. When it comes to cleaning performance, both robot vacuums have their strengths. The Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction power, which can tackle even the toughest messes on all floor types. It also features a self-cleaning brush roll and precision home mapping, ensuring a deep and thorough clean. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner has a 3000 pascal Cyclone cleaning system, making it highly efficient at vacuuming dust, pet hair, and debris. It also has a no-entanglement design perfect for pet owners. Both vacuums excel in this category, but it ultimately depends on your specific cleaning needs. Now let's talk about smart features. The Shark AI Ultra comes with the Shark Clean app and voice control capabilities, allowing you to set cleaning schedules, initiate on-demand cleaning, and even control it with your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It also has an extended runtime with recharge and resume functionality. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers smart app control, voice control compatibility with Alexa or Google Assistant, and 6 cleaning modes to cater to your specific needs. It even includes a hassle-free remote control for easy operation. Both vacuums have impressive smart features, so it's a tie in this category. Let's move on to additional features. The Shark AI Ultra stands out with its self-emptying base, which can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris, eliminating the need for additional disposal bags. It also includes side brushes and a filter. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner is designed to clean where you can't reach, with its low profile of 2.99 inches and dual rotating electric side brushes. It also comes with a spare HEPA filter, spare side brushes, and a self-cleaning tool. Both vacuums offer unique additional features that cater to different needs. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum offers incredible suction and advanced mapping technology, while the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner provides strong cleaning performance at a more affordable price. And there you have it. We've compared the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner in various categories. While the Shark AI Ultra offers incredible suction and advanced mapping technology, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner provides strong cleaning performance at a more affordable price. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs better. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information on these products. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we help you make smart buying decisions. See you next time.